In today's industrial and commercial manufacturing environments, a day without power is practically unthinkable. At Eaton, we understand how important proactive power protection is to maintaining business operations. We strive to develop innovative, impactful solutions that meet the industry's latest standards to provide you with the utmost in protection for valuable electronic equipment. The latest demonstration of our commitment to workplace safety and equipment protection are the Eaton Aegis series devices, which combine surge protection and line filtering to provide comprehensive protection for valuable system equipment that helps keep your business running. Surge protection devices are a critical element of power reliability and equipment protection. They can keep equipment and processes up and running reliably without disruption or damage by providing protection against external disruptions such as lightning strikes. Yet the majority of surge events or voltage transients are the result of internal sources such as load switching, short circuits, capacitor switching, imaging equipment, variable speed drives, arc welders, light dimmers, motor starters. These types of internal sources cause 80% of voltage transients. While the impact of external surges can be immediate and apparent, internal issues are harder to detect and slowly wear away at valuable electronic devices, causing damage over time that may come with little or no warning. This process, sometimes called electronic rust, gradually degrades internal circuitry until it ultimately fails. This problem can be addressed with line filtering technology. Studies have shown that the failure to protect sensitive electronic loads cost the American manufacturing, commercial, and service industries more than $39 billion per year in lost time and revenue. This makes providing protection against both internal and external sources of surges vital to maintaining business. Eaton Aegis series protection devices provide a combination of surge and line filtering protection to help maximize equipment uptime and productivity by guarding against damaging surges and transients while also cleaning up disruptive line noise. Surge protection is needed from the service entrance down to the individual control panel. While other surge protection devices protect the power distribution system, the Aegis line of devices protects critical processes and systems from surges and line noise. These devices also meet the latest industry standards. The key relevant standard for surge protection devices is UL 1449 3rd edition. Equipment that meets this standard can be used for protection from the damaging effects of both internal and external surges. UL 1449 3rd edition products are also required to pass stringent safety testing to ensure that if they were ever to fail, they would do so without damaging any equipment. The latest standard for series filtering protection products is UL 1283 5th edition. This standard covers all of the filtering elements and includes the UL 1449 3rd edition safety tests if the series filter contains surge protection. If you require both surge protection and filtering, make sure that the solutions you are considering are listed to both standards. The Eaton Aegis series is one of the first to meet both standards, which became mandatory in April 2014, making the Aegis series one of the safest product lines on the market. Check out the difference in performance between a filtered unit and a non-filtered unit. When investing in quality surge protection devices that also provide filtering, the initial investment may seem high, but doing nothing could cost dramatically more. Equipment repair or replacement and downtime costs are likely to be much higher. Aegis series protectors guard against surges and clean up the line noise, protecting equipment and avoiding maintenance costs associated with fixing or replacing damaged equipment. The Aegis line of solutions includes a wide variety of protection devices to meet the need of nearly any application. You can use Eaton's Aegis series equipment to select the best device for your specific application requirements. Aegis series devices include solutions specifically designed with low let-through voltages and provide the highest noise attenuation for critical loads and facilities with stringent application requirements. Businesses invest a significant amount of money on electronic assets, including microprocessors, programmable logic controllers, human-machine interface, and computers. While surge protection provides an effective solution to protect these investments, integrated filtering capabilities provide an extra layer of protection, guarding against damaging surges and transients while also cleaning up disruptive line noise. With a broad range of devices, the Eaton Aegis series can help you adopt best-in-class surge and line protection solutions that meet specific requirements in global commercial and industrial application. These solutions are designed to support reliable operation and reduce maintenance costs due to damaged electrical equipment, and have saved billions per year in equipment downtime and lost revenue in American manufacturing, commercial, and services industries. Each product is independently tested and backed by a robust engineering and technical support, and are among the first to meet the industry's latest standards. If you aren't sure which device is right for your application, Eaton provides free surge protection site evaluations to help guide you through the process of protecting your critical electrical equipment. With our unparalleled knowledge of electrical power management across industries, we are the experts who will deliver customized, integrated solutions to solve your most critical electrical power management challenges.